Gonna rearrange the cockatiel cage today. The Skittles is all the way up top. Hi. I was just down here, I just gave them new food. More food. So, I wanted to show you a new perch I got. So it's nice and smooth up top, where their feet go. And the rest of it's rough. To like, help with their nails. They have this one and a larger one. So I just got the smallest one they have, and it's going to go to the cockatiels because it's probably too wide at some points for her feet, and it's definitely too big for that one's feet. That one, oval. And they have messed up the newspaper. It's shredded. There's feathers everywhere, and there's some seed in this corner. So that's definitely got to be cleaned out. This is the only cage I have not completely thoroughly cleaned yet. I've cleaned those two just the other day, but this one has not been cleaned yet. Yes, I will get there. It's just been too hot to go outside. But the cockatiels will get 2 new perches today. It's got such beautiful wings. It's empty. Elvis is here. Skittles is there. Hey, Jordan. Out of all of my birds, I think Jordan's the only one I have not seen do that. Bubble does it. Elvis doesn't. Skittles does it. I've never seen Jordan do it before. I just gave her seeds instead of pellets. Maybe she's mad at me. That is their new cage. We've got 4 perches and 4 toys. I was going to put this other little perch in there, but I couldn't find a place to put it. Plus, I've already got this one in here. So they've got their new popsicle stick toy, which I bought a while ago. Just hadn't given it to them yet. They've got 1 new perch. And a new perch. And they've got the other toys, which they've been destroying in there. I've already had to throw out 2 of the previous toys they had in there because it was all gone. And the rest of these perches will go back to where they belong.